ẹ̀kọ́ ní kárí egun. Ògùndá tùrúpọ̀n oníye, it's countable. One snail, it chose to block the other shooting death for him. Not one snail, it was born. Ogundaji say no. Two snail, Idesa, it say yes. So it means that we have to worship Obatala with two snails for him, so that we able to block the other shooting death for him, and Melodumare block the other shooting death for every one of us that's watching this reading in the website of ifaniwura.com, so that after then I will need to explain everything in details for him, and Melodumare block the other shooting death for every one of us. So that I would like to tell you that it is very compulsory for every one of us to make reading in this coming January that we're about to enter now, so that for we not be die suddenly, so that to know which type of our enemy and who are our enemy, and what is necessary for we to do to conquer them spiritually and spiritually. And Melodumare protect us, give us long life and and prosperity. I say happy New Year to every one of us in advance.